here's the convertible top, and my cups were fine, but during reassembly, as you can tell, the end of it broke off right there. You can tell that the cap is busted. So what I did was we went online and got these. These are metal, fully assembled, and they're out of Germany, a company out of Germany, and they were very nice. And the parts did not cost that much more, or about the same as the plastic versions of them. So we decided to go with this. And so I'm going to repair this one using this metal cut. And they said that if we just take the cap off and pop out the end, that it should fit on the original Porsche part. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I got the convertible top partially open, and then I just get a little pry tool in there, and I don't know if you can see it, but you just twist it a little bit and it should just pop right off, because I'm going to do both sides. So there we go, and the top is off. Okay, so I didn't want to take the rod off of the boomerang, so I took it off, popped the cups off of both sides, and now the top moves around manually. And right here, now I have plenty of space in which to work on these pieces. Okay, so I should be able to replace this as it is. Okay, so I'm just putting my thumbnail right where I want it to go, and I'm just going to twist it out, and I'm going to line up the new one to where it needs to go. And the new ones, the metal ones, they're just a little tighter. I'm going to take the metal one and go right to where my nail is. Just tighten it down. The metal parts are in. Top goes down all the way.